So I just sneezed 7 times, and I feel like I have to sneeze for the 8th time. So I'm trying to look at a light to help it. Well, what happened was I sprayed my hair with this fragrance spray, and it just started making me sneeze out of nowhere, when usually I do pretty well with that light scented spray. But recently, any body spray, any lotion, it just sets me off immediately. I don't know why. I take allergy meds every single day due to my dogs. Dust at work. I work in a warehouse, so it gets really bad. Alright. Since no sneezes are coming right now, might as well just blow my nose. And don't you hate when, like, in the beginning, I was talking, but then I feel like I had to sneeze, and then you feel like you can't breathe right? I hate that. Because I was hitching so bad. Alright, well, obviously no more sneezes. I did 7 that I didn't record. Sorry.